what you got, bud? What is that? Oh, is that an alligator?
Alligator. It's a crocodile or an alligator.
Wow, where does that go? Can you find where that goes? Go put it by the rest of the animal in the fridge. Oh, is the alligator gonna move down there? Good job. Is that a puppy? Good. Puppy. Look at that puppy head. Good job. Very good. What are the other animals? William, where's the giraffe? That's the dog. Where's the giraffe? Can you find the giraffe? William, where's the giraffe? Good boy! That's right! Good. That is the giraffe. William, can you find the cow? Where's the cow? Good. Oh, that's the giraffe. Where's the cow? The cow, William. No, that looks like a walrus. Where's the cow? Ooh. Uh-huh. Is this a new canvas to have fun with? Oh, there it is. Yay! Good job. What are these called anyway? How do they stick to the fridge? How do those stick to the fridge? Are those magnets? Pretty cool. Yay! Good job, William. Good job, William. That's a giraffe. That's a giraffe head. Where's his body? Good job.